I would like to give a thumb up to the Chinese government because I think he really dealt very well with the pandemic. There are 2 points here I would like to emphasize. The government comes up with solutions and the people collaborate. Chinese government realized the problem. His reaction to it in order to prevent was very fast and was very efficient too. The people trust in the government. Here, whatever you want to do, it's convenient. Here we use QR to buy things, to pay cash, to do whatever, like the life needs. You have the mobile, you can do almost everything. My student life is here in China is really a fantastic one. Every day after class, I got friends, local friends and foreign friends. Talking about local friends, like the Chinese friends I got in my class, whenever I got some difficulties on the studies, they're always willing to help me. Yeah, and this is a point I really appreciate. We have a very good relationship with the teachers. They care about me. I'm not only talking about the studies, but they also help on issues that have to do with my personal life. After my graduation, I would like to stay to China if possible.